In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handwrite on Google Docs. This can be a helpful tool for those who want to add a personal touch to their documents, like a quick signature or a hand-drawn note. Whether you're creating a more personalized invite or simply want the digital document to have a bit of flair, adding handwritten content can make all the difference. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process and get you handwriting in Google Docs in no time. To start, open the Google Doc where you want to add handwritten text. It's good to have the document prepared ahead of time so you can focus solely on the creative process once you're ready. Once the document is open, look towards the top of your interface and click on the Insert option right there in the menu bar. This is where you'll find all sorts of features to enhance your document. Clicking Insert brings up a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Drawing. This will open up a new window where you can craft your handwritten masterpiece. You'll notice different drawing tools in this new window, which will allow for your creative freedom. Amongst these tools, find the Line drop-down menu. It's typically located at the top left within this drawing space. Click on it, and a drop-down list will unfold with several options for line types. Here, select Scribble. Scribble is what you need in order to freehand draw anything you wish in this space. It gives you the freedom to sketch and mimic your handwriting style as closely as possible using your mouse or trackpad. Harness your creativity and begin to draw your text, shapes, or even your signature in the drawing window. Remember, it might take a couple of tries to get it just right, especially if you're using a trackpad. But practice makes perfect. Don't worry if your first attempt isn't exactly as you envisioned. You can always undo and try again. Once you're satisfied with your handwritten creation, the next step is to click Save and Close. By doing this, your drawing will be seamlessly inserted back into your document as an image. And just like that, your Google Doc now features a charming touch of handwritten flair. This new feature is not only easy to use, but it opens up countless opportunities for creativity. You can adjust the position of your handwritten image by simply clicking and dragging it to where you desire. You can even resize it to suit your document's needs. With just these few steps, you've added a personal, creative element to your otherwise typed document, making it truly stand out. Feel free to experiment and see how you can leverage this for different projects and documents. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps you think outside the box with Google Docs.